Hello students, welcome back to your English class. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is subject verb agreement. As the topic suggests, subject verb agreement, when the both are agrees, both subject and verb. Subject and verb. When it agrees, it's subject verb agreement. So here what we will come to know, first of all, what is subject and verb in the sentence, how to identify subject and verb in the sentence, what exactly is subject verb agreement, and basic rules surrounding it. We will come to know about the subject verb agreement. So let's get started. Here we start. Subject: person, place, thing or idea that is doing or being something. What can be said a subject? Person, place, thing or idea that is doing or being something. Next is verb: action performed by the subject or state of being. Means an action word or action performed by the subject or state of being. So here an example: Ajay plays cricket regularly. Ajay plays cricket regularly. Person, place, thing or idea. Ajay is a person. Plays is an action verb. So Ajay plays cricket regularly. Ajay, and according to the subject it plays. How? We come to know here. Subject: first of all, who is performing action? Subject means who is performing action. As we have discussed earlier, person, place, thing or idea. Verb: what subject is performing. Means first of all we have to recognize what is subject. Subject means who is performing an action, okay, or action. And verb means when you come to know about the subject, then you will come to know about the verb. Means what subject is performing or doing. Act performed by the subject or state of being. So what subject is performing? Action performed by the subject or state of being. Here examples, again we are on the same example. Ajay plays cricket regularly. Subject and verb. Ajay is a subject and plays is a verb. So here, based on point of view, first person, second person and third person, that we have done. First person means I, we. Second, you. Third, he, she, it, they. How we come to know about the third, first and second person? First, when I am talking, to whom I am talking is the second, and about whom I am talking is the third person. Okay, coming to the next. Now we are on the subject verb agreement. Here when we begin, here that what is subject and verb in the sentence. And sentence, you know, a group of words that having meaningful meaning. A group of words having meaning, or a meaningful group of words is called sentence. So example, subject I have discussed, verb, and now first person, second person. Why we are discussing this first person, second person, third person? So that we will be aware of the person. Means I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Mainly, basically these are the subjects. Now come to subject verb agreement. For making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number. A verb must agree with its subject in number. Like if the verb is singular, then subject will be singular. Singular subject, singular verb. Plural subject, plural verb. This is called agreement. Subject must be agree with verb. Okay, like singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. Here, subject is singular. That monkey eats banana. This car goes fast. Subject, that monkey eats banana. Monkey singular. Eats is verb having s or es is used with singular nouns. In the same manner, this car goes fast. So, in the first sentence, subject is that monkey and verb is eats. In the second sentence, in the second example, this car is subject and goes is verb. So, here subject is agree with verb, okay, in singular form. Here, when subject is plural, the same sentence, see, that monkey eats banana. Those monkeys eat bananas. Those monkey eat bananas. Here everything is singular. That is for singular, monkey is singular, eats used for singular, and banana is singular. Here those monkeys eat bananas. Those plural, monkeys plural, bananas plural. Eat is in plural form. Okay, and it used with this is simple tense. So subject is plural and verb is also plural. These cars go fast. These cars go fast. Here this car goes fast. These cars go fast. So these plural, cars plural. So go is the plural form used here in the sentence. Now, subject verb agreement. For making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number. For making a sentence grammatically correct, okay, that we have started with the same line. A verb must agree with its number, with its subject in number. Like when subject is in third person, here we will talk about the third person. Singular subject, singular verb. Plural subject, plural verb. Okay, rule will remain same. Singular subject will agree with singular verb. Plural subject will agree with plural verb. Like here, subject is not in third person. Okay, subject is not in third person. I read newspaper regularly. I singular read plural. Why? See here also. Those monkey eat banana. This is the plural form. That monkey eats banana. This is the singular form. So eat is plural form, and here I is in singular form. Why is it so? Because I is exceptional. With I and we means first person, it goes in plural form. I read newspaper regularly. I eat bananas. I go to temple. We read newspaper regularly. We eat bananas. We go to temple. So these are the rules in third person. Keep in mind, I and we first person always come with the plural form of verb in subject verb agreement. Next, subject verb agreement. This we have done here, and for the next part we will resume to the next video. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.